Hi everyone. Today we are going to discuss about strategy execution steps. What do you mean by strategy execution steps? We already discussed about strategy. For example, if your product, how to sell the product to the customer, we are using some strategy. So, what are the steps we are going to see one by one? Ultimate goal, high performance organization, environment, external and internal environment, analysis. It's related to SWOT, strength, weakness, opportunities, and threats, plus mission, vision, and values. So, what do you mean by vision? What do you mean by mission? We already discussed. So, mission is a nothing but short-term goal. Vision is a long-term goal and value of the organization. Key goals, strategic issues, and strength and opportunities. Communication, balance scorecard. It's a very important thing. Every organization balance scorecard. What do you mean by balanced scorecard? Means comparatively which organization will be best. So, for example, Krishna Sweets and Nelle Lala. So, which one is best? We are using the balanced scorecard. What about the quality? What about the taste? So, we will compare. And strategic map, alignment and action plan, then log frame and key performance indicators, implementation, projects and activities. So, these are the strategic execution steps. So strategic fit also. See the example, fit was not fit. So I know these pants are don't quite fit, but I couldn't resist the low price. So this is the exact example for strategic fit and not fit. Next we are going to discuss productivity. So in every organization, every top level, middle level and low level, everyone expecting what about your productivity. So productivity is very important. So producing the goods, manufacturing the goods in a best quality. So that is a productivity. So productivity is the output of any production process per unit of percentage unit of input. To increase productivity means to produce more with less. In factories and corporates, productivity is a measure of the ability to create goods and services from the given amount of human resource, capital, land, knowledge, time, or any combination of this above. So, productivity is a process and also means to produce more with less. In this more with less means we are using that quality will be more, cost will be less. The same like that in factories and corporates, productivity is a measure of ability to create goods and services. So input and output from the given amount of manpower. That is a human resource, capital, land, knowledge, time, or any combination of this above. That's a productivity. So next we are going to discuss very important topic, demand forecasting. So what is the meaning and definition of demand forecasting? Demand forecasting is a systematic process. It involves anticipating the demand for the product or services of an organization in future. It means demand forecasting is nothing but prediction. Demand, you are going to create the demand for the particular product under a set of uncontrollable and competitive forces. Accurate demand forecasting is essential for a firm to enable it to produce required quantities at the right time and arrange well in advance for various inputs. So now it's a hot period. I mean that now it's in the summer. So the demand for sweaters, air coolers, air conditioners. These are the demand. We already know the forecasting, but it's a future outcome. So definitely it's in April. So May, June, July, up to July itself, it will be hot only. So the customers will like more about that, like that air conditioner, air cooler, refrigerator, plus juicers and everything. It's a demand for that particular product. So the demand forecasting is nothing but future outcome. So now we have discussed many things related to the productivity, demand forecasting, and strategic fit and not fit, and strategic execution steps. Thank you all. So next class we are going to discuss about what is the purpose of you need the demand forecasting. I mean this session. So thank you for watching. Thank you all.